You're watching us here on Chartbusters on CNBC TV18. The stock of the morning has been PNB Housing Finance. This on the back of Girish Kousgi's exit from the company. So the stock is down 16% as we speak. Let's get a word in from the promoter of the company, PNB. We have, the management, the MD of PNB joining us to detail the developments that are taking place in PNB Housing Finance. Ashok Chandra, who's the MD and CEO, joins in. Thanks a lot, Mr. Chandra, for joining in. The first obvious question, why exactly, did Mr. Girish Kousgi resign? The official reason that's given is that he's seeking external opportunities. But was it him initiating the resignation discussion, or was it something that was collectively made from the promoters as well as his side?
No, I will make it very clear.
Yes.
Nothing from the promoter side, nothing from any other shareholder side. In fact, he has some family commitments at Bangalore, and that is the only reason for which he has put up his paper. Otherwise, nothing to be seen other than this now, in this particular case now. So, I think we are one of the highest shareholder in this. We have more than 28% shareholding in this, and we are holding that entire shareholding for many years. And I have firm belief that this company is growing fast, and this company will continue to grow fast in future also. Yesterday, the PNB board had the meeting, and NRC meeting also took place. And he has put up the paper, and subsequently already the NRC has and the board has engaged.
Mr. Chandra, a couple of things don't tie in together. On the one hand, you're saying that he's going for family commitments, etc. But at the same time, if you look at the prior few days as well, you had Mr. Dilip Vaitheeswaran, who resigned as the chief sales officer too. So a top rung of the company's leadership is resigning. Is there something more than just personal reasons?
Absolutely. It is only the personal reason, nothing more than that.
Nothing more than that.
Yes.
What happens now?
Yeah. So Mr. Chandra, a couple of questions out here. When a big name like that leaves, there's always fear, asset quality, something with regard to, smelling a rat in some way in the books. Could you assure your investors that nothing of that sort, the guidance that's been given with regard to growth, asset quality, margins, all of that stands as per what it was earlier? Is that correct?
See, as a promoter, I can only tell that we don't see any challenge in this. This is the personal reason he has cited, and he is moving to Bangalore. I think PNB, the HFL, this board also, they are going to have some investor meet today, and they will clarify all those issues. But we don't see any big challenge, anything happening in the company.
You don't see big challenge, sir, but on April 8th, Anujay Saxena, who's the business head of Affordable Business, resigned with effect from 19th May. So a little over a month was the notice, and for a very senior leader. 23rd July, Chief Sales Officer resigned. And then we have within 7 days, 31st July, Mr. Girish Kousgi resigning as MD CEO. 3 leadership positions resigning in a month and a half can't be a coincidence.
See, I can't make any comment on other resignation, what has happened. See, everybody looks for some better opportunity also in that.
At the same time, sir, all of them look?
Yeah, they may be looking for that. We don't know, and I personally don't know what is the reason for others for resignation. But as far as I know about the MD resignation, definitely it is only for the personal reason. He has put up the paper, and he is moving to Bangalore. That is the reason he has cited, and he has discussed. I don't see more than this, and I don't visualize any other thing more than this.
Okay, all right. Mr. Chandra, then let's look ahead. The captain of the team has moved out. All eyes on who the new captain is. Yeah. When exactly will you be seeing the new captain taking charge of PNB Housing? Because till then, there's a bit of a flux. So could you tell us by when? Yeah. And do you have a candidate in mind?
No, nothing is in our mind. I think NRC has studied itself. They have engaged some HR firm, and I think they are very shortly, they will be looking for some good alternative. And let us wait and see. I think PNB Housing, that board members also, I think they are also conducting the investors meet today.
That's already started.
They have also released the press release, I believe, today. So I think they will explain all those things, what is the process they are following.
From a PNB level, are you initiating any sort of probe on PNB Housing Finance's books because of the leadership changes that have happened?
No.
You know, because the growth has been extremely phenomenal. Ever since he was appointed to now, the stock market has rewarded the growth as well. And typically, when in a low credit growth environment, a company grows very fast, you can attribute it to, you know, the leader doing extremely well, or you can also attribute it to maybe that being risky growth. Could you give us some sense?
No, we have not visualized anything, and we don't see any such challenges which you are talking about.
So no asset quality problem, no growth-related issues, or supernormal growth taking place in the company, not impacting the balance sheet with his exit and the exit of the senior leaderships. You're confirming that.
One thing always you should see that we are one of the promoters. We are not managing the day-to-day affairs of that company. There is a separate board is there, and very good constitution is there of the board members. See, and all those things are being discussed in the board and other committee meetings. So I think they have not anything else. Have the confidence in the board and let us move forward.
Okay.
All right. Could you tell us whether the new candidate will be coming in from the PNB group itself, or will it be an external candidate?
No, it is not coming from the PNB. That I can give you the assurance. I think the HR, they have already onboarded some HR firm, and they will be looking for some good candidate. And I think maybe you need to wait for some time, and definitely it will come out publicly.
All right, just a final question, sir, and this is for shareholders' comfort. I need to ask you this. 3 senior leadership resignations that take place post-April, and just around that time, on 3rd May, Carlyle Group goes ahead and sells their 10.5% stake in the company for around 2,700 crores as well. You do not put all of them together, do you?
See, when PNB is holding 28% plus share, and when we have not exited anything for the last 2 years, 3 years, and this year also, whatever instances you are quoting, we have not done any exit. So you should believe that, yes, we have...
a company growing very fast, then you have a PE exiting, then you have the top leadership exiting. So it's...
I can't make any comment on others' exit. I can just comment about...
it's not the action, it's the timing, sir. It's not the action. I mean, it's a PE. PEs have to exit at some point in time. And there are leaderships, which move out. It's not the action. The action is absolutely well in line with corporate, practices. But it's the timing of all of them happening together. That's what has the street so worried.
No, I have already explained the PNB position on that, and already matter has been seized at the board level and the NRC level. So let us wait and see that how the further things evolve. As of now, PNB doesn't see any challenge, and we are still holding our share in that.
And you're the promoter entity, and unlikely event, but I'll have to ask you, since the stock price is down 15%, your investors, PNB Housing Finance investors, they are fretting a little bit in spite of your clarification. Is there a possibility you go ahead and just, buy some shares from the open market as the promoter entity?
No, we are not. As of now, we don't have any such plan.
Okay. All right, Mr. Chandra, just had to ask you, clear the air on that front as well. So you're confident about business. You're looking at the new captain coming on. You'll have started the search as well, and the candidate will be from outside of the PNB group.
More importantly, he assures the street that there is nothing wrong
no problem
with the books of the company. All of these exits, including the PE exit, are just coincidence that they've happened at the same time. So we take PNB's word on that. They continue to hold 28% stake in the company, but the street has other plans. The stock's still down 16%. Take a short break, come back on the other side. We get more markets and stock-specific action. Stay with us.